Hey friends, if you encounter this error that the application has been blocked from accessing the graphics hardware on Windows 11, then please watch this video. Now, before moving further, I will clarify that in most probability, the case is that you do not have a dedicated graphics card which is capable of handling the situation. This is the main problem, okay? And how will you fix this problem? So to fix this problem, we will do the following. We will try updating the graphics cards that we have to be sure that we have the right version. Go to device manager, expand the list of display adapters, right click on it, update drivers, right click on it, update drivers for the dedicated one as well. Now if this doesn't work, then it simply means that your graphics card is not sufficient, and in that case, if you have a desktop, you can add a graphics card. If you have a laptop, you cannot do anything. And the next one is about using a high performance plan. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, and then in the right pane you can select power and battery, and then you can select the power mode. You can change it to best performance. Okay, was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.